Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how you can start your own web hosting company and create a GoDaddy-like pricing model. In this video, we are going to explain the different types of pricing models and billing cycle offered by GoDaddy and how you can charge your customer like GoDaddy pricing model. We would also see how GoDaddy collect text for its services, and I'll walk you through the text collection process, and I'll show you how you can create your own pricing model similar to GoDaddy pricing. We would also work on invoices, what all details are present in GoDaddy invoice, and how you can automatically share the invoice with your customer as they purchase your product. So, without wasting any more time, we'll start with the GoDaddy website and see what all pricing plans and billing cycle they are offering under the web hosting product. So, for that, I'll go to the GoDaddy website. So here we are on the GoDaddy website, and under the web hosting services, we can see the following plans. That is the starter plan, the economy plan, the deluxe plan, and the ultimate plan. The price of these plans are changing according to the plan, and the services that they are offering in these plans are also changing according to the different plans. Here we can see they are charging 199 rupees per month for the starter plan. For the economy plan they are charging 219 rupees per month. For deluxe plan they are charging 299 rupees per month. And for the ultimate plan they are charging 399 rupees per month. Now we have seen what all plans GoDaddy is offering under web hosting products. Now we will see what are the various billing cycle that GoDaddy is offering. So for that I'm gonna go to the checkout page. Here I'm gonna skip this page and move to the checkout page. So here we are on the checkout page of GoDaddy, and over here we can see what all various billing cycle GoDaddy is offering. So GoDaddy is offering a billing cycle of 1 month, 12-month or yearly billing, 24 months, 36 months and 60 months. So what are these? These are nothing but the billing cycle that our GoDaddy is offering. So GoDaddy is offering three types of billing, that is a monthly billing. In this they are asking a customer to pay for their services each month. A yearly billing. In this, the customer are charged once a year for the services they are using. And a multiple year billing. That is, a customer can also choose to pay for GoDaddy services for multiple year at the same time. So, the example of monthly billing would be 1 month. A yearly or annual billing would be 12 months. And for multiple year billing, the examples are 24 months, 36 months and 60 months under this GoDaddy checkout page. So we had a look at the pricing plans and billing cycle GoDaddy is offering. Now let us see how we can create the pricing plans and billing cycle like this in Pabbly. So for that we will quickly sign into Pabbly by clicking over here and sign in. Then I'll reach this page where I can see the applications offered by Pabbly. We are going to use Pabbly Subscription Billing for this, which is a subscription and payment management tool. To access PSB, I'll just click on this Access Now button. Now we are signed into Pabbly Subscription Billing. We would be creating the products and the plan under those products. So in our case, I would be creating one product with the name of web hosting and some plans according to the GoDaddy plans that we just saw. So for creating the plan, I'll just go to this products option. So I'll just go over here in add product section and create a product with the name of web hosting. Once that is done, I'll submit it. Once that is done, my product would be created. Now we would be creating plans under these product. So for that, I'm gonna go over here in add plan section and create a plan. I'm gonna create the plans just like GoDaddy. So I'm gonna create this ultimate plan for 36 months. So for that, I'm gonna go over here in plan name section and I'm gonna create a plan with the name of ultimate plan 36 months. Once that is done, I'm gonna select the currency. So There are a lot of currency offered in Pabbly subscription billing, but according to our use case, I'm going to select the currency as Indian rupees. Once that is done, I'm going to select the billing cycle. So in Pabbly subscription billing, there are two types of billing cycle option available over here. That is one time and recurring. If we want to accept the payment from the customer on one time basis, we are going to select the billing cycle as one time. If the billing cycle is in a recurring way, then we are going to select the billing cycle as recurring. So in our case, I'm going to select the billing cycle as recurring, and over here I'm going to write bill every 3 years until the subscription get cancelled by the customer. That is forever. So now I'm going to select the pricing. So for the pricing, I have kept the pricing as flat fee pricing, and now I'm going to enter the price. So here we can see the price of the unlimited plan for 36 months, that is 35,964. So we are going to enter the same price in Pabbly subscription billing, that is 35,964. Once that is done, I'm going to enter the plan description. So here I have entered the plan description. Now I'm going to select the payment gateway. What are the payment gateways? The payment gateways are the gateways by which we are going to accept the payment from our customer. So for integrating the payment gateway, you can go over here in the settings option. In the settings option, you can see the payment gateway integration option over here. Once that is done, you can connect these payment gateway over here, such as Stripe, Razorpay, PayPal, Instamojo, by simply going over here in the connect now button and entering your access key and secret key of your account of the payment gateway. Once that is done, you're gonna submit it and the payment gateway would be integrated. Those integrated or connected gateways would be visible in this connected payment option over here. Once these payment gateways are connected, you can go over here and select the all payment gateway option for the if you want to accept the all payment gateway from your customer to accept the payment, or you if you want any selected gateways only in the checkout page to accept the payment from your customer, you can select on this selected gateway option and select that particular gateway that you want to accept the payment with. So in our use case, I'm going to select the payment gateway as all gateways and save this. Once this is done, my checkout page would be ready and it would be looking something like this. So this is how the checkout page would be looking in Pabbly subscription billing. It contains the product name, the plan name, the prices of the plan, and the plan details. And these are the basic information where your customer can fill, like first name, last name, mail address, company, billing address. Here are the payment gateways, and from here the customer can make the payment. This checkout page is totally customizable. You can just go over here in the product option. Under product option, under that plan, you can see that option of checkout customizer. You can just click on this option and over here you can customize the checkout page according to your requirements. And from here you can also customize the thank you page that we are going to see later on this video. Once your changes are done, you can just save this page and the same changes would be made in the checkout page. For more information on how you can use the checkout page, please check the video in the description. Now we'll compare the checkout page of both Pabbly subscription billing and GoDaddy and see the difference. So here in the GoDaddy checkout page, it contains almost the same information that is present in the checkout page of Pabbly subscription billing, but it contains two more options. That is the option of entering the promo code and the add-ons. That are the additional services that the GoDaddy is offering. So now we'll see how we can add this option of entering the discount code or the promo code in the checkout page of the Pabbly subscription billing. As we can see, it is not visible over here. And we'll also see how we can add the add-ons. So for adding the promo code in the Pabbly subscription billing checkout page, we'll go to the product option once again. Under the product, I have an option of creating the coupons from where I can create a coupon. So the coupon can be used in a such a way that I want to offer a discount on my product or services to my customer of 40%. So I can create a coupon that the customer can enter in the checkout page and from where he can get the discount of 40%. So for adding such coupons in Pabbly subscription billing, we can do that by going over here in the coupon section and creating a coupon. So I'll tell you guys now how you can create the coupon. So you can go over here in the coupon option, enter the coupon name. So I'm gonna enter the name as discount 40. Now I'm gonna write the coupon code. So I'm gonna write the coupon code as 40 off. Now I'm gonna select the discount type. So if I want to offer a flat discount, I can select that. If I want to offer the discount in percentage, I can offer the discount type in percentage. So I'm gonna select the discount type as percentage, and now I'm gonna write it over here, the discount percentage that I want to offer. Once that is done, I'm gonna select the redemption type. So over here, I'm gonna select this as forever. Now I'm gonna select the plans. So if I want to offer the discount on only selected plans, I can go over here and select that plan from here. And if I want to offer the discount on all the plans, I'm gonna select the all plans. So in our use case, I'm gonna select the discount as all plans. And here I'm gonna write it as valid up to date. So I'm gonna select the valid up to date. And here I'm gonna write the maximum redemption number. So I'm gonna write the maximum redemption number over here and save this. Once this is saved, our discount coupon would be created. Now we'll go to the checkout page and see how we can use the discount coupon or how the customer can use the discount coupon in the checkout page. So we'll go over here in the checkout page and refresh this page. So now we can see it over here. The option of entering the coupon code or discount code is available over here, just like the GoDaddy website. So we'll enter the coupon code that we just have created, that is 40 off, and apply it. So now we can see the discount of 40% is given on the total amount. So this is how you can create the discount or promo code in Pabbly subscription billing and use them in the checkout page. Now we'll see how we can create the add-ons just like the add-ons that are present in the GoDaddy checkout page, that are these. So for that, I'm gonna go to Pabbly subscription billing again. Over here in the product section, under that product, I can see the option of add-ons. So add-ons are nothing but the additional services that we want to offer to our customer. So for creating those additional services, we just have to go over here in this add add-on button. Under this, we can create the add-ons. So I'll enter the add-on name just like the GoDaddy add-on, that is SLL setup service one side. So I'm gonna copy this name and paste the same over here in the add-on section. Once that is done, I'm gonna select the category as an category. Now I'm gonna write the price. So the price is 2699. So I'm gonna write the price as 2699 and I'm gonna select the billing cycle as one time, as this is a one-time payment. Now I'm gonna select the associated plans. So for this, I'm making this as a all plan. If you want your add-ons to be associated with only selected plans, you can select this option and mark this plan. For our use case, I'm marking this as all plans and saving it. Once that is done, our add-on would be successfully created and would be visible in the checkout page. So for that, I'm going to go to the checkout page again. And here we can see under the additional services section, the add-ons that we just have created is visible over here. The customer can make a purchase from here by just simply selecting the add-on, and that add-on would be added in the total amount. So this is how you guys can create discount coupon and add-on in Pabbly subscription billing. Now we'll see how GoDaddy collect text from its customer. So GoDaddy collect text according to the customer location. That is, if a customer is from India, the tax that would be collected from him would be IGST, CGST, and SGST. And if a customer is from Europe, then the tax that would be collected from him would be VAT. So the tax in GoDaddy varies according to the customer location. That is, from where or which country the customer is purchasing the product or GoDaddy services. Now, we have seen how the tax are being charged by GoDaddy. We'll replicate the tax module in Pabbly Subscription Billing. So for that, we'll go to Pabbly Subscription Billing again. In Pabbly Subscription Billing, we'll go to the setting option. In the setting option, we can see the option of tax settings. Under tax setting, you'll get an option of adding the tax. So I'm gonna add a text by clicking on this button and entering the text name. So I'm gonna create a text of IGST, that is a text in India. Now that is done, I'm gonna submit it, and we can see it over here. Our text is now successfully created. Now we are going to add rules for the text that we just created. So for that, I'm gonna go over here in add text rule button and add a text rule with a name of IGST rule for Indian citizen. Once that is done, I'm gonna select the product. Once that is done, I'm gonna select the plan. So for now, I'm gonna select the plans as all plans. Once that is done, I'm gonna select the country. So as IGST is only valid in India, so I'm gonna select the country as India. And now I'm gonna select the state. So over here in state, I'm gonna select the all state. And here I'm gonna write the tax percentage that I want to charge my customer. So IGST is 18%, so I'm gonna write it over here as 18%. Now in Pabbly subscription billing, there is an option of recording the text ID from the customer. So if you want that option in the checkout page, you can just mark this option. And if you want to make that mandatory, you can just click on this is required button, and that would be mandatory. This is not required in our use case, so I'm unmarking this and saving this. So now we can see our text is now successfully created. We'll test the text that we just created in the checkout page. So we'll move to the checkout page once again. So here we can see currently there are no tax applied over here, but once I select my country as India and state as any part of India, here I can see my tax is now successfully applied over the total amount. So this is how the text module works in Pabbly subscription billing. Now we will see and compare how the invoice of GoDaddy looks like. So the invoice of GoDaddy contains these following details, that is order details, plan details, billing information and payment information. And it looks something like this. So now we'll create the invoice in Pabbly subscription billing. So for that, I'm gonna make one test payment. So for making a test payment, I'm going to the checkout page once again and make a test payment over here with the name of test Henry. Here I'm gonna enter my mail ID as testhenry@pabbly22.com. Once that is done, I'm gonna enter my company name. So I'm gonna write the company name as test company. Once that is done, I'm gonna select my billing address. So for the billing address, I'm just writing my address. I'm gonna select the city. I'm gonna select this. And here I'm gonna select the payment gateway. So for as I'm making a test payment, so I'm selecting the payment gateway as test card. And I'm gonna complete the order. Once that is done, I would be redirected to the thank you page. And I have already shown you earlier how you can customize this page. So now I have successfully made the test payment. Now we'll go to the invoice section and see the invoice. As soon as the payment would be done by your customer, that payment invoice would be shared with the customer also. So this is how you can share the invoice with your customer after the payment is received from them. So this is our invoice and it contains these following details. That is my company name, the customer information, the billing address along with the details, the plan details, and the amount, discount, and the tax that are applied over here. So this is how the invoice in Pabbly subscription billing looks like. You can customize this invoice also by going over here in the settings option. In the settings option under the invoice section, you can go and customize the invoice by going over here in add invoice settings and customizing the invoice by just clicking on this pencil icon and customizing your information. And you can also fill these settings, payment gateway options, product option, and customize the invoice according to your needs. Once that is done, you can just save this and the invoice would be updated. So we have seen today how GoDaddy charge its customer for taxes, how the invoice of GoDaddy looks like, and what are the various plans and billing cycles that the GoDaddy is having, and how we can replicate the same using a subscription management tool, that is Pabbly Subscription Billing. So I hope you find this video useful. For more such detailed video, you can just mail us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask us any query, you can just go on this website and ask us the query. Thank you all. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.